All right, this is 7.6, Consumer Price Index for Clothing. Consumer Price Index for Clothing. Look at model problem number 1. If Michael bought a dress in 1995 for $90, what would he pay for a similar dress in 1985 according to the graph? So I've gotten a year and a dollar amount. So my dollar amount is going to go on the top, which is $90. Now it was 1995, so let's look over to the graph for 1995. In 1995, for the clothing, which is the black part of the graph, goes to 132. 132. Now we're asking for how much would it cost. I don't know the cost, that's what I'm solving for. And the year was 1985. Look at 1985, the black part, because we're buying clothing, and that's 105. 105. Once you set it up, you just cross multiply. You have 132C equals 90 times 105. And then you're going to divide both sides by 132. And you'll have what your answer is. And that is $71.59. Remember, you're trying to find a dollar answer, so you should round to the nearest cent. So look at 3 decimal spots and round to 2 decimal spots and write down your answer. Look at number 2. Mr. Ivanek bought a suit for $200 at the beginning of 1994. If he had waited until the beginning of 1995 to buy the suit, what would the price have been according to the price change table? So the price change table is the blue table on the top of page 207. So men's clothing, well, this is Mrs. Javert. Sorry, Ilya. So she bought a suit, and there are women's business suits. Ilya would look fabulous in one, by the way. Okay. Women's clothing changed 4%. In fact, it decreased 4%. Minus means drop in price, okay? So it decreased 4%. So really, it's 96% of its original value. So you can do 0.04 times 200, subtract it back out again. But if you're not a dummy, you can just do 0.96 times the answer, or times $200 and get your answer in one step, okay? So page 208, on 1 through 8, you're going to be using this format. You're going to put the cost, in this case it would be 100 over 1987, and you'll put C over whatever the ratio was back in 1995 in that bar graph. Cross multiply, solve the unknown, and look at the directions. Find the answer to the nearest whole dollar. Find the answer to the nearest whole dollar. 9 through 12 was just like model problem number 2, looking back at the blue table on page 207. Okay, that's 7.6.